Hi, my name is Chris. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1716, calculate money in Leetcode bank. Considered an easy problem. So first he wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode bank every day. He starts by putting in $1 on Monday at the first day. Every day from Tuesday to Sunday he will put in $1 more than the day before. On every subsequent Monday he will put $1 more than the previous Monday. Given n, return the total amount of money he will have in the Leetcode bank at the end of the day. Alright, so if our number is 4, our output is 10 because in the first day he puts in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. If n is 10, he's going to put 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. That's the first week, and then Monday jumps up to 2, 2, 3, 4, that equals 37. So on the 20th, you go through almost 3 weeks, so 1 plus 1 through 7 added together, right? 2 through 8 added together, and then on the last day, last week, because it's not 21, it's 20, we only add 3 to 8, which is 6 numbers as opposed to 7. And note that every Monday, you're incrementing by 1. All right, let's grab this input and output here. Move over to CodePen. Let's create a function. We'll call it func. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called Monday. This is going to keep track of, how much money we're paying every Monday. We're going to create a variable called weekday. This is going to tell us what day of the week it is. So if it's 1, it's a Monday, 2, Tuesday, 3, Wednesday, so on and so forth. And then a variable called result. This is what we're going to add to. This is going to be our total amount of money. All right, so now we set up a for loop, and we say let I equal 1 if I is less than or equal to n I plus plus. And so this is going to count up from 1 to n. You can see that if we log into the console. Function in the console too. All right, so now we should see it counting up from 1 to 20, and we do. Perfect. Okay, so then we have to have an amount that we're going to put in for every single day, right? So that's always going to start at Monday, right? So we're going to say let amount equal Monday, right? Because, for example, on the second week here, Monday's going to be 2, so we want to start at 2 and keep adding up from there. And then we need to say result plus equal amount. So that's going to be our amount for Monday. We're just going to add that right away. And at the end of the day, let's return result. So right now we should see 1 plus 2 plus 3. Why are we seeing 20? Oh, I know why. Because it's going by 20 times, and we're not even incrementing Monday. All right, so now what we need to do, and this is where it gets a little tricky, it did for me to figure this out, create a while loop, and we're going to say while weekday is less than 7 and I is less than n, we're going to loop, we're going to run this while loop, we'll say amount plus plus result, so we're incrementing amount, right, from what Monday was. alt plus equals amount. And then we're going to increment weekday, so we can keep track of what day we're on. And then we're also going to have increment I, because we don't actually want, if you just incremented I here, it would be 20 times 7. It would go that many times. That's not what we want. And down here, we increment Monday, because we've got the week. And we set weekday back to 1. And this should do it. 96, there you go. All right, let's go ahead and grab all our code. Let's go ahead and submit it. There you go, good to go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.